Hello friends, in this video I will change such a microfilter. When the car does not drive well or stalls on the move, then one of the reasons may be microfilter. The fact is that it filters the fuel that contain particles from the fuel tank. Further, the particles accumulate and the permeability of the microfilter deteriorates. It needs to be blown, washed, or replaced with a new one. Friends, but before starting the video, subscribe to the channel, put like, and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel. That's all guys, subscribe to our channel and put like.